Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the UCL events. How to play dribble open race in UCL group stage event in EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So if you are trying to master your dribbling, master your movement with the ball, you can try in these UCL events. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can challenge the event, complete the mission, so you can get ton of rewards from it. Let's get start by tap the play, tap the live events, and tap this UEFA Champions League or UCL. This is the main event. So currently this is the welcome to UCL group stage. So you can take part in this UCL event and earn UCL point. The first match or the first game, this will be skill game, dribble opener race. So if you are new in this game, beginner in this game, I'm sure you can going through this skill game. You can challenge this because this for amateur. And guarantee reward you sell point 4. Let's tap the play button. So in this mode you have to race with your opponent, with dribble the ball, use the virtual stick and get to the finish line before your opponent does. Let's try. You have 2 attempts here. Let's try the first attempt. Tap. You have to sprint. And try to finish first. And we are done in first attempt. So challenge yourself in this skill game, so you can progress the match or progress into the next stage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. Enjoy the game.